If you are an EV or an electric vehicle enthusiast, or you own one, or your family has one, this is a Basigo electric vehicle charging station, or simply put, an EV charging station. The safety precautions that have been taken on these Basigo EV charging stations are simply amazing.
Today's video is courtesy of Basigo. Thank you so much for granting us this opportunity to record this video. This Basigo EV charging station is located in Thika. This is at Gatito area near Quickmart, Chania.
Did you know that for an electric vehicle charging station, power is harnessed from the national grid? This is an incredible charging station courtesy of Basigo here in Kenya. To make it simple for you to understand, what we have is 11,000 volts all the way from the national grid. The three conductors that have fed or energized the transformer, carrying with them 11,000 volts or 11 kV if you may like. These feed the transformer, energizing this transformer to step down the voltage from 11,000 volts all the way to a three-phase low voltage power line, which is 415 volts. And of course, it is AC. This is what is fed to this EV charging station. Now, when we look at this point here, we have the metering. Of course, Kenya Power have to collect the revenue from this installation. As you can see, we definitely have L1, L2, and L3. That simply means the first phase, which is red, second phase, which is yellow, the third phase, which is blue. And of course, the neutral is there. When we get to this board here, this is, to me, a safety board because we have the fuses there, we have the switches, just to make sure that the EV charging stations are very safe from any electrical hazards that may occur. And from there, we have this important installation here. This is a Basigo EV enclosure panel for switching. Once it is switched, you can see that it is a 240 volt and 415. Another important thing for you to note here is that the cable that is distributing power from the transformer, that is definitely the low voltage cable to this installation here, is a huge cable because of the current that it will definitely be carrying. For any transformer, there are three key earthing points. Number one, we have the entire metallic structure earthed to the ground. Number two, we have the surge. If this structure is hit by a power surge, maybe from lightning or any excessive power, it will definitely go to the ground. And number three, very important, is what we refer to as the PME, the protective multiple earthing. This is connected on the output cables that go to the EV charging stations. Now, this ensures that the neutral has been connected to that earthing all the way to the ground.
If there's one thing that I can give to Basigo EV charging station here in Thika, is that it is a very secured place. Another important thing is that it has ample parking for your EVs. What's more, there is Quickmart, Java, as well as KFC that is next to this incredible, safe charging station.
Today has been a fantastic day exploring the EV world, the electric vehicle charging stations that are here at Thika. And I have learned a lot by just observing what is happening here. My name is John Gatehi, and this is Top Heights Electricals and Electricians. Goodbye for now.